Hey, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe because today's video is going to blow your mind. You've seen it before, public Instagram profiles somehow leading to private OnlyFans subscriptions. But how does that really work? Today, we're pulling back the curtain and breaking down the exact machine that turns attention into cash. This is a system, a funnel, and we're diving into every gear. Let's make one thing clear. This isn't about clout, followers, or engagement. It's about one goal, moving someone from free Instagram to paid OnlyFans. Let's start with the foundation, the profile. This isn't just a profile, it's bait, a tool engineered to trigger curiosity and clicks. The username? More feminine. The profile photo? High quality and provocative. The bio? Not about you. It's a command. Something like, my secret site. That's not random. It's psychological bait. It opens a curiosity gap, one you can only close by clicking the link. Once the profile is set, the machine goes live. Bulk content is prepped, scheduled, and fired out automatically. This is not manual posting, it's automation. My IG automation bot can help you do exactly this. Upload once, schedule endlessly. Each post carries a seductive caption like, "Feeling naughty today? See more." It's never just content. It's a trail of breadcrumbs leading back to that link. While the content runs passively, the system actively hunts. It scrapes followers from big influencer accounts, meme pages, and warmed-up audiences. And yes, my bot does this too. And here comes the attack. Like a few posts, follow the target, drop a flirty comment. The goal? Blow up their notifications. Get them curious. Once they check your profile, it all clicks. But we're not done. Time for the DM. The system sends out hundreds of templated, curiosity-driven DMs. With my bot, it's all automatic. Not to chat. To convert, it might say, dropped something special. Curious bio, just enough mystery to push the click. Now imagine this, 1,000 Instagram accounts, each sending 20-25 DMs per day. That's up to 25,000 messages daily. It's industrial. The final piece? Infrastructure. You need 1,000 accounts, 500 proxies, automation software, content libraries, and message templates. Put it all together and you get a well-oiled cash funnel. Every like, follow, post, and DM engineered to turn attention into revenue. And if you're wondering how to start, my IG automation bot can be your entire backend. So, when everything is automated, what does authentic even mean online anymore? Hit that like if your mind's blown, and subscribe for more digital breakdowns.